Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of this stunning 2017 Ford Focus RS. This car comes with the 2.3 petrol turbo engine and the manual gearbox, plus the Mountune 375 brake horsepower upgrade. The insurance group is 40, and this is a one owner vehicle, having covered just over 26,000 miles and comes with full service history. This particular colour is called the Stealth Grey, and it's in great condition for the age and mileage of the car. As we have a look inside, being the RS, you've got these really great comfy Recaro seats which hold you really well, with the blue stitch in there, which also then matches the steering wheel. A few other features I can mention: you've got your multimedia screen there in the centre for your satellite navigation, DAB radio and Bluetooth, and this car also has climate control, automatic headlights and wipers. Just down there on the left hand side you have your cruise control on the steering wheel, and then on the driver's door card you have your electric folding mirror and 4 window controls. Plus also this car has fitted the door protectors there, which I'll show you as I close the door. Tuck away neatly, but then do come out to protect the doors as you open them. Clever design there by Ford. As you open the rear doors, good access there into the back. So for a performance car like this, you've got a good amount of practicality there for rear passengers. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts, and it's also good to see the car's still got the Ford floor mats as well. Opening the tailgate reveals the good sized boot there, with the split folding rear seats, the parcel shelf is still in place, and then underneath the boot floor, on the left hand side you've got your subwoofer, and then on the right hand side you've got your tyre inflator kit plus a bit of extra storage. Externally the car comes with LED daytime running lights, the sunroof there which is open at the moment, the 19-inch black alloy wheels, and also those gorgeous exhaust pipes there at the back. Also fitted to the rear bumper you've got your reversing sensors, and also a reversing camera there just above the number plate. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128 point check for your peace of mind, and you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.